Well, PC players are out here losing their minds and acting like the world is ending because their ping spiked from 10 milliseconds to 30 milliseconds. Mobile players are out here in the trenches actually suffering. A PC gamer might crash out and blame a microstutter for a loss, and a mobile player is essentially a digital warrior fighting a three-front war. They are routinely top fragging while their screen is held together by hope and packing tape. Their thumbs are getting first-degree burns from a device that is thermal throttling into oblivion. Wipe the sweat off. They just wipe the sweat off the cracks and glass, adjust for the 2-second delay, and still manage to secure the win against all odds. Is this true or not?